Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this episode, I am on a luxurious yacht. Isn't that cool? Very cool. But there is something cooler over there, and we are talking about a $500 million worth of a peninsula, which we happen to tour today. This is gonna be crazy. This property tour is crazy. All right, here is where we are. We are at one of the most luxurious, one of the most daring, exquisite projects in the entire country. But we're not talking about the entire country right now. We're talking about Bodrum and Yalıkavak to be specific. Now, a couple of years ago, this fishing town was only a lovely sea resort, but now it is the playground of the Turkish jet set thanks to the marina and the luxury investments around this beautiful town. Now, we are touring this 126,000 meter squares of a peninsula with 75 luxury villas, a natural pond, a white sand beach, sunning terraces, a restaurant with an infinity age pool, incredible amounts of green area, and a 1,000 years old olive tree. And the entire value of this peninsula is $500 million, baby. Now, why have I chosen this specific location, which is very windy? Because it makes everything look epic, and this property tour will definitely be one of the most epic property tours that you will ever see. Ready to do this? Let's go! Now, in this island there are 75 villas. Obviously you don't expect me to tour all of them. The prices of them start from $2.6 million and goes all the way up to $8 million. There are three types of villas: courtyard, open terrace, and linear villas. Now I'm gonna tour the entire peninsula, and you need one of these to tour the peninsula. Actually, I'm kidding. The motto of this project is barefoot luxury. There is a cycling track and walking track, and you can literally walk around this peninsula with barefoot. But for the sake of production, I'm gonna jump on the Maiba and tour the peninsula. Let's go. Now, let's go up to the Villa 73. This is a private elevator, by the way. This one is a 4-bedroom property with 5 bathrooms. In total, it is 510 meter squares, located on a plot size of 570 meter squares. This is definitely one of the nicest 4 bedrooms that you will ever see, and it will cost you as low as $3.2 million. Let's go, baby! Welcome. Let's start with the main entrance. Look at this beautiful door. This is Belgian. And look at how high the ceiling is. I mean, it makes the room very, very airy. And there's one detail which I really want to show you is this. Look at the stone wall. This is the continuation. I don't know if you're able to see this, the exterior design outside. And one little thing about these stones, this has been done in 5 years, and all of it is handcrafted. 5,000 people have worked every single day for 5 years to design these. Look at these details. All of these are handcrafted, small little piece. This house is designed in a way that everything that is being used in the interior is natural. But look at here. This is the money point. There is nothing that can beat that. We're gonna get to the garden in a second, but I need to show you the interior design first. This part is the sitting area, the TV area. Floor to ceiling glasses, Belgian made. I want you to take a look at the ceilings. On the ceilings and on the floor, Italian oak tree has been used. These oak trees act as a humidity balancer. It balances the humidity inside the house. After this big closet, we're entering into the kitchen. This is an Italian kitchen, chic, and this is a granite stone. Look at the texture. Can you get a little detail? Look at the texture. Amazing texture has been used here. And this closet shape of a thing here is definitely the refrigerator. Whoa! You thought I was gonna open it, right? I'm not gonna open it. Look at all these closets down here. Gaggenau appliances has been used in this project, and this is a small refrigerator for your wine. Look at here, you can control the temperature and everything. Anyway, this is not the entire kitchen though. Romadizio doors. When you're cooking in here, if you don't want the smell to go into the living area, all you have to do is goodbye. This is an Italian kitchen, obviously with an Italian coffee machine, but we're in Turkey, right? Aren't we? All right. We have a Turkish coffee machine here, and I'm gonna attempt to do something which I have never ever done before. I've never done this, have I? No. So, for the first time in my life, I'm going to make myself a Turkish coffee. But I cannot find a spoon. Somebody, please help me. Where's the spoon? Sometimes I feel like I'm a total idiot. But anyway, look at this. Wow, beautiful. Over here, we have some more appliances. All the appliances are from Gaggenau, by the way. I really like this contrasting color right here of this wood. Italian kitchen looks very good and very nice and very elegant. Detail though, the Turkish coffee is not from Turkey. Coffee beans don't grow in Turkey. This comes from Yemen. The technique is a Turkish technique. That's why it is a Turkish coffee. Otherwise, it's just a Yemeni or Brazilian or... Oh, shit. Now let's continue exploring the living room area. On this side we have a small nice communal WC, the bathroom, and right over here with this beautiful glass design we have a small pool. Now I'm descending to the downstairs, and on my side there are glass protective layers, and these stairs are Italian oak tree, by the way. Beautiful, very nice. The feel of it is very good. It's so thick and beautiful. And right here we have another hall, and this one is again the continuation of the exterior design. This stone is called Gümüşlük stone. It is coming from a small town in Bodrum itself. It's a beautiful town. You should definitely check it out. On this side we have the bedroom 1 and the bedroom 2. Bedroom 1, as you can see, we have a sunken garden. It's very airy and lit up. And look at this tree. The stones used in this house. One is this stone from Gümüşlük. The other one is the stone that is coming from this side itself. And the third one is the limestone itself. To give this island a bit of ancient Egyptian touch. Did you know that the pyramids are made out of limestone? And right over here, again, a beautiful sliding door of the bathroom. Romadizio. Inside, Italian Carrara marbles have been used, and all the rooms here have ensuite bathrooms. Beautifully lit, decent size. This is where you control the temperature of the room and the lights as well. Another bedroom. Again, beautiful design. Romadizio doors, ensuite. And this one opens up to another garden. Boom! There's no shortage of outdoor space in this building. You go inside, it's a maid's room with an ensuite bathroom. This is something very unique actually for this project. I've never seen it elsewhere. You know, all the maids and the staff that are working downstairs and living downstairs, they don't have to interfere with your livelihood. It makes everything easier for everyone, really. And this is actually a very, very nice detail. Hello! What's happening here? So this is apparently the control room. This is not the control room of the entire compound. This is the control room of that one single unit that we've been touring. This is the hot water tank. This device separates air separator, and all that, you know, jiggly technological stuff that we have here. This door opens up to another garden. There's no shortage of outdoor space in this place. All right, now remember how I kept the garden to a later time? Because I wanted to show you this place at this perfect light. Come on now, look at this. Look at this. I mean, sometimes I am speechless. This is a beautiful landscape, it's a beautiful garden. On the floors you have teak. Look at the landscape, look at the plants here. All the plants here are from this region, which means that you're not going to be able to see an exotic palm tree right in the middle of the Aegean and the Mediterranean. If you take a nap here for 10 minutes, you can benefit the ultraviolet lights that is coming from the sun, which will make you way more beautiful, in fact. We have beautiful sunbathing beds here, and let's go over to this side, a beautiful cabana. Teak, timber, these are adjustable so that the panoramic view is not obstructed. This is solid wood. Are you familiar with these? It's called the evil eye. You know how people knock on wood? In Turkey, we have these combination of these colors which will protect you from the evil eye of the ones who wish bad for you. There are 1,000 things you can change about a property. You can change the exterior design. It looks very well on this one with a combination of the limestone and the natural stones from this area. You can change the interior design. You can change the design of the garden and everything else, but you can never change that over there. That sun, my friend, will always be there, and this is the major privilege. You know, watching the sunset from this point. But detailed though, look at this fountain. I mean, who does this? Come and get a close-up. I mean, no one in the industry thinks about details like that. Plus, this is a nice shape for you to use it as a microphone should you sing anything. Shall I sing you a song, guys? Arabian night, like Arabian day, more often than not, or harder. Come inside to where it all happens. This is the master bedroom. As you can tell, it has a beautiful view. Look at this. I mean, this is crazy. Out of this world. Again, floor to ceiling windows, Italian oak tree on the floor. Before showing you the money shot, I want to show you a detail here. This is the master bathroom. On the floor, you have the border beige marble, a beautiful bathtub, but detailed though, natural light. This is where you take your shower. You're getting a natural light when you're taking a shower. Here we have the windows. What more can you ask for? I mean, this is luxury living at its best. This is just crazy. The sound of the waterfall of the pool down there, the beautiful breeze, the sun, the serenity, the simplicity, the naturality of everything. It's just mind-boggling. I mean, whenever I come here, I just cannot comprehend how beautiful, how exquisite this place is. Wow, crazy. This place is literally 2 hours away from the world's biggest metropole. It's right in the heart of the world, and you're living a peninsula life, sort of like a Maldives life. You have a white sand beach, you have cycling tracks, walking tracks, sun-tanning terraces, and everywhere is, you know, teak and landscape. So you don't really need anything extra to live this luxurious life. What you have to do is to book your ticket from wherever you're living, Paris, London, Dubai, wherever you are in the world, come to Bodrum, and literally you are going to experience an island living. And this is why I would buy one of these homes. And in the future, I will buy one of these properties. This is not really the pool to, you know, swim. This is just to, you know, have a dip, you know, get some fresh, this is to, you know, freshen out and etc. And that's
Aladdin, are you
Is that a
okay?
fucking joke? Because that's not funny. You messed up my hair. Are you gonna use this? Are you gonna use this? Because I got a fucking beautiful suit on, man.